Remember how to run?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Incredible Hunk here.
Incredible Hunk.
Incredible Hunk here. Hello. I'll link. Yep, and Incredible Maddie's in the back, and Incredible Joe. We're going to Harbor and Freight today to go get a TV mount because Joe got a new place, and it's glorious.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. No, it's not bad. Dude, that place is amazing. We have stuff going on today, such as another video that will be made along with other shenanigans. Maddie with the thumbs up.
Go. What? You alright, Crazy Train? We got a kazoo.
If I'm not what, Maddie? If I'm not silly, I'm not what?
Kyle, what
too late.
happened with you gaining weight? And you said, I chose to grow a beard to get the women.
Yes.
But so far, neither one is working.
Yep. So that's where I'm at.
You have a very important woman in your life. There she is.
She's right there. So Joe, how's it going with this wall mount here?
Horrible.
Welcome to the new crib. It's not mine, unfortunately. So, but it's nice. You got Charlotte in the background, and then you got people over there in the pool and everything. Try not to be a creeper with them in there. I hope we are not disturbing the neighbors. So we decided to head uptown really fast and find some birds. The electric scooters Joe and I were trying to find last time. I'm sorry if it's really loud. Cars are just going back and forth. So, like that truck and that SUV. You'll see one. I promise. I promise. We're gonna get one this time.
He got one. Oh my God.
I'll let you put it on.
He got a bird. 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 Right, Maddie? He got a bird.
It only took us like 3 months to get this, but you know, we got it.
We are on the way to my bird now. Hopefully we'll find one soon. We'll see.
The bird scooters are well worth it, so I want to take it back when we couldn't find it from that last vlog. It was glorious.
Maddie, how did you like the scooters? 5 out of 5?
10?
10?
10? Oh, I need the high five. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. Otherwise, you know what to do.
Bye.
See you guys.
Stand by me. Stand by me.